Silent helicopters play a pivotal role in aviation, captivating with both mystery and innovation. Incredibly, these aircraft achieve near silence through advanced acoustic suppression technology. By reducing rotor noise, they become almost invisible to radar systems, a vital advantage in military and covert operations. One remarkable example is the modified Black Hawk used in the Osama bin Laden raid, showcasing how stealth meant success. As engineers continuously refine these designs, they unlock new potentials in espionage and security. Enthusiasts who marvel at these silent wonders often ask, what's next in aviation's stealth evolution? Engage with Aviation Facts Unlocked and share your thoughts on this feat. Aviation Facts, Silent Helicopters.